I've been working in a medical office field for 7 years now. So I just realized I need a medical admin course for me to learn more about that field. I searched in the internet and I just saw like a lot of colleges in the Calgary and everywhere, but it's not the one that I'm looking for. Like I'm looking for a specific program like the medical administrator, which I can use my knowledge working in a medical field. I'm a single mom and I have 2 boys with me, so it's not easy for me having an online class because I have to work full-time in the morning until the afternoon and take care of my kids, and then after that do an online class. So it's not that easy, but I did it, so I'm just so proud of myself. After I graduated, I got promoted as an office manager in my clinic, which is because they said like I graduated. So at first it's not that easy because what's this? And then afterward, I have a lot of professor who is very helpful for me. So whenever I have questions with it, which I don't understand, and sometimes I don't have time because I have to work, all the professors and the admin is helping me like, okay, if you can't do it, we'll give you time to do that, which is a big help for me. It's like they're answering me, like they're calling me, they are sending me an emails, which is a very good help for me for that. I'm very, very proud of myself, especially my family, because being a single mom is not easy though. And then plus studying, plus working, and then I reach what I wanted to do. So everyone says like, if you have a diploma, it's gonna be a big help for you. Not just a higher salary or so, it's gonna help you a lot having that. So since I took that risk, getting that, and then now I have everything that I wanted. So I'm 100% happy and proud of myself.